Court peo joko wira a Dr. Engineer Odongo Okune. Wira ti nindario, ninde pier deka chiel one to function the diti buje and it will go on. Ninda chiel one obedo tuke and all those functions will go on. Nindario one obedo kede obedo kede kuere a dit I Mayor's Garden. Dona kwa yotina riono ame chan miyo gitu cho miyo kiken they should stop it. Yana ngoni chan raj. Chan miya karo mi tuta dekita cho. Let us not misuse the gadget amobedo chima wano tikede mebedo cho kende. Enana lokeruni amirta mi bedi ngechuni one achalo lao cultural institution. Doko nua another scholarship. Amo ya ibot university achiel ame tia miyo borwa me lao cultural institution. University me olwani Havana International University. Ame document nere. Let them come, we shall support them. Even other news editors. Ka oro dano ifil. Oto miyo dano no. You teach independently. They obey you will not make you mirni. To no practice their profession. You are a bear. I think I am clear on this. We here that we tongue with the duogo, metic kerwa, we tongue a ling, or jome ling, or cholochen negio. Dila Benson, a motor one a court, or cholochen America. Jotia chola. So that means everybody here embracing new leadership. That one of the naked situation, me kadong one law johnny court kida law you get any. One premier nunge one or two bereket. We are going to welcome them back. Do pomir ni otina riono kede jo kenne. Tangi uno lao kuoyo. Pe tangi uno lao kuoyo. Lao ti amito not at this point.
Okay, man, yeah, don't speak out.
And I tell me you give warning, no war lao. The first thing a man around think about make me you give warning. You would run but uno get a war come down. Lao pe amito to bear they should stop it. And I'm requesting Tegeregi or Megegi to stop them from that. They should be stopped from that. Peokel Guinea atuba lao. Choyo Gina me pretty clear. It's not good. Because all the 2 days and no function here were everything they normal. What will you gain from it? You'll gain nothing. They have all confirmed, Minister of Presidency, tell me your instruction, both whip RDCs, Abudul George, Nineni, security of Belabear. As we talk, Nakatekala Merik, Otamiti Tunkia, they are all contributing for this coronation. Dila Benson has fully contributed. Tegre Du Yosham have paid the half. Tegre Ling, they have paid their money. So Yira Tia Waranyim, Tamira Kobilaone, Tunichawa Memiro Kobotenawa, a Megin Kobi Church, a social media. A Megin Mirland, the Ningo Joamut, Lown in Wuko, Waruno Lown, Tiu Kermirigi Oro. If for the case, ni court or ruling, court was very clear. For stopping Yera Kerekungo Natorke Ken, and in the can't the court may giki doctor extending Nakan in the Pierua Boro. The activities in John Aluen now Cultural Foundation. And you're stopping. Petike Canada me Okerone, we don't connect young. We are going ahead. A war status controller contribution the president will be received on Monday. And we shall receive it and announce to the people of Lao the contribution of the president of Uganda for me. All the government ministries they are contributing. Church government has called off. Who is that one who has spoken on behalf of the government? You don't even have it in your content of church. So Miro war wai chawane kana wano tuni ye we don't want to joke. Pay me Now, yeah, why come gay? Spiritual fake news all the time. That is not nice. It's not good for a society like us. Chawa ni kita korra dugu kede, wano ko bijo wa, o mako korwa keru ki Benjamin, ki koni aduga got your war, your dead would karadi, karachiel, everybody is happy. So, we rarame, ochoro, petie.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.